Hey everyone, we have a problem. We have a Microsoft Word document full of pages that are in this vertical or portrait orientation, but we need one of our pages to be flipped to be this horizontal or landscape orientation. Or maybe it's more than one page, or maybe it's the reverse scenario where all of your pages are in landscape, but you need one or more in portrait. You get the idea. So how does that work? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. I created a sample document here for us to play with. It's pretty simple. There's just 4 pages. You'll see that all of them are using the portrait or vertical orientation. And just as a sidebar, if you don't know the difference between portrait and landscape orientations, think of taking a picture. If you're taking somebody's portrait, picture of their head, typically that's going to be in the vertical orientation. So that's called portrait. Whereas if you're taking a picture of a landscape, like mountains or desert or ocean or something like that, that will usually be in the longer horizontal orientation or landscape. Okay, end of sidebar. But let's say we need to insert a new page in this document that's in the landscape view. And maybe I just want to insert it between this page and this page over here. So a new page in a different orientation. The first thing I want to do is turn on the show hide up here so I can see all the formatting. I always do this. I almost can't function without it. But here you'll see that we've got page breaks. So the page break is what's moving this text to the next page. If we got rid of that, then everything runs onto the same page. But that's basically what we need, is to do new page and get a blank page in between these two. But here we're not going to use just a regular page break. We actually need a section break. So you can kind of think of a section as a document within the document that can have its own margins and have its own layout disconnected from the rest of the document. So let's insert a section break. I'll just come up here to Layout and Breaks. And there's a few different kinds of section breaks. The one we want is Next Page, so that's going to bump us onto the next page. So kind of like what we had before, but rather than a page break, now we've got the section break. And then we need another one of those to basically give us this page that's blank. So I'll insert another break, back up to Layout, Breaks, and Next Page. Okay, so that pushed chapter 1 onto page 3, and now we've got this blank page here. And if I move things down, gives us a little bit more space, but this is a new section as well. And that means we can go change the layout and the margins and not affect the rest of the document. Now there's a few ways to do this. You can come up to the Layout tab here on the ribbon and go to Orientation and Landscape. Make sure your mouse is in this new section that we just created. And there we go. Now we're in landscape mode on the second page. The first one is still the same. But rather than just doing that from the button up here, I'm going to do an undo and show you the way that I prefer to do this instead. Still keep your mouse here in this new section, but come over to Page Setup, the section here, and click on the little arrow here for Page Setup. This is going to bring up a dialog to show you more options. So in here, you can change the orientation to landscape, but then you get the option down here of what you want to apply this to. So we want to apply it to this section, which is basically what happened when we just clicked the button. But I just want to show you that's not the only option. You could apply it to the whole document, or you could apply it just to this point forward. But we're going to go with this section, and that'll effectively do what we just saw, but it just gives you more options. And then you can see that you can also do margins that are different from the rest of the document as well. So we could do margins, say a 1/2 inch all the way around, and only apply that to this section. Okay, there we go. So we've got our cover page like it was in Portrait. Here's our landscape page. We can put whatever we want on this page. It's just a regular page. So let's say we're going to go insert a table. And you'll see the margins there going all the way to 1/2 inch, or whatever you're putting here. And then the next pages continue in the portrait mode like they originally were. So that's it. It's all about creating a section using the section break and then applying whatever formatting you need to that section. And that does it for this video. If you found that helpful, give me a thumbs up on the video so YouTube knows to share it with more people, and also consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching.